Welcome to AdSing. We make educational entertainment. This is the YouTube academic section. Here children come to make their school chapters into YouTube videos. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about para illustrations. Now, this is basically taking a couple of pictures and putting them together so that we can say what we want to say. So this process happens after we've made our audio file and the shopping for the images have been complete. It's very important to get para illustrations right. Without this, we won't know what to animate, how to animate, which part to come in, which part to go out. Whatever it is the book is trying to say, we want to show that, and we want to show it in a way that we'll never forget it. Each page, each chapter has a complex meaning that inside the book looks just like text. It's great for when you're reading a book, but when you want to study, we need pictures. Lots and lots of pictures. Pictures, just like music, have a very special place in our memory. Look at the success Instagram has had over Facebook and you'll see just how special they are. You take one picture and put it next to the other. Suddenly, the picture starts to talk through you. This is called composition. We are composing something that we'd like to say. Take this for an example. Here's a picture of a monkey. Really nice, everything is good. Now feel what happens when I take another picture and place it next to it. Go ahead, drink some water and tell me your first thought as a traffic light comes in from the left. Suddenly the screen starts to talk to you. Is the monkey trying to cross the road? Is he planning on stealing one of the bulbs? The list of possibilities is endless. Move this picture around and you can create so many meanings. Placing the picture, have it behave with one another is a creative process. But you can't just place a picture anywhere and expect it to work. You want it to look good, neat, well organized. It should feel good.
Oh yeah.
In order to get good compositions, we need the help of something that's really special. It's like having a ruler in a geometry class. Say hello to Fibonacci. This has helped artists design art from the age of the pyramids. Fibonacci has a very special place in AdSing. Have a look at our logo. It's here as well. You just can't make good art without it. Or at least you can't start off. It was used by the Egyptians, the Greeks, even we are using it so many times. Forget humans, the gods have used Fibonacci. Just take a look at the spiral of the galaxy, the spiral of a storm. Check out the shape of Africa. Right, now try Australia. Try it on a bird, try it on a plane. Yes, it's even on a human body. There we go. You see? Fibonacci. Basically, anything done according to the Fibonacci is more or less guaranteed to look good. Cars, planes, museums, architecture, it's used everywhere. The way we use it in our AdSing videos, it's a practice. You learn once you spend more time with it. But the thumb rule is to keep the most important image at the center and have it interact with Fibonacci. It's a creative process, so go according to your feelings. Notice where the lines complement each other. Wherever you feel the shape and angles give you a feeling of positive balance, stay and work with it. Figure out if you'd like to keep a picture in front or behind the main picture. Have fun shuffling things around. The stories you create with para illustrations are memorable. You'll also learn a bit about color theory, graphic designs. The process is pure trial and error, but the focus will always remain on getting the chapters inside the heads of 1,000. AdSing's super teacher will guide you through this. Once you're near completion, as usual, ask yourself, is it looking good? Does it look simple? Remember, look to reduce information. Use at max 4 to 5 pictures for a composition. You only have to do half the work because the voiceover will complete the full story.
Yes!
Great. Now that the composition has come to life, the para illustration is complete. But what we are about to do now is just as important. After composing, for safety, duplicate everything. Give it proper names and tidy up. It's time to get ready for animation. We'll go over how animation works in the next video. This is Synfig. This is where animation happens. It's also where para illustrations are composed. It's a fantastic software and it's free. It's super easy to learn. So go ahead and download it into your computer. Come over to the next video. We'll learn how to use it there. Thank you for watching AdSing. See you in the next one.